Alright guys, so today we're going to be uploading our image and applying it to our mesh. So the first part of doing that is of course choosing our file and getting it accepted on Roblox. You can name it whatever. I'm going to name it iPhone screen. And we've uploaded it. Now you can either check it from here and wait for it to be uploaded, or you can open Roblox Studio. You click View right here. You click Asset Manager. The images, right click it, Add Images. You look for the one you did and import it. Now once you're done, you can close that. Next, you select your image, and here is our iPhone with the puppy on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.